Before commencing the production of our eyelash adhesive, we ensure that our staff undergoes thorough cleaning and disinfection before entering our dust-free production workshop and laboratory. First, our laboratory technicians use the secret formula of the raw materials for eyelash adhesive to produce our product. We observe that the newly produced adhesive drips beautifully and can bond to eyelashes within 0.5 seconds. Under the microscope, we can see that the false eyelashes and adhesive have fused perfectly. Next, we simulate UV aging. Humidity transportation and storage environment testing with high and low temperature. Test the salinity of eye secretions. And the degree of centrifugal dispersion of the eyelashes that have been bonded. After completing all tests, our staff in the packaging workshop perform the final packaging, bundling, and shipping.